All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 16,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, got backup camera, power mirrors, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn decent. Your front hood looks good. It's just got a dent here, about 3 to 4 inches. Your fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice steel wheel. Check out the tire tread, which is over 732. This door looks pretty good. It's got 2 dings there. This quarter here has a dent about 2 to 3 inches. It's a dent right here, as you can see it. 3, 6, about 9 inches. A little dent over here, about 2. A little chippy, another little chip. That's about it here. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel and your tire tread. Says under 732. Let me double check that. Yeah, that is correct. Under 732. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. This vehicle does come with 1 key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Owner's manuals is still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM FM CD player. AM FM stereo system, no CD. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Pow. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for your tire pressure and your mileage of 16,799. Which completes the tour for in here. Keeping it moving. Boom, boom, boom. Coming around your rear bumper. Does have a cracking right here, about 1 inch to 2 inches. Alright. And a heavy scratch there. Right there. Another little one. A dent, actually, with some paint off there. Here. That's what your rear cargo looks like. Very nice. Looks nice. The lights on the Transit is beautiful. Lights up. Looks like daylight in here. Your wheel wells look good. This is what one of your doors looks like. Boom. That one looks pretty nice. Does have a dent and then like a chip or something. But the rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your the other side. That one looks pretty nice. And this corner here does have a dent right there. 3, 6, about 10 inches right there. Check out your roof. Missing a little cap here. I can see that this took a hit back here, as you can see it. Must have been backing up into something or going through something. Almost made it. So we got a dent from end to end down here. There's a few things. You can see one over there and you can see one there. Obviously paint off on this. Check it out. Doesn't seem like it went inside like it's okay. It's okay. That's what it looks like over there, folks. That's some scuffing down here, as you can see. Here's your rear passenger seat. I'm sorry, your rear passenger side steel wheel. And your tire tread. Just under 732. Got a dent down here. 3, 6, about 12 to 14 inches. Got a pretty a dent right here. As you can see it. Another dent right there. These look like, this one looks like from the inside out. These look from the inside out. They don't have any paint off on those. You can kind of see them now. There's a shot from the side. Cargo area looks pretty good. This door has a chip there, another one there. This one has a heavy scratch here, about 1 inch, 1.5 inches. Here's your other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This one obviously has an armrest. All right, fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel and your tire tread. On the 732. Lights are working, car is on. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Ford Transit T250 long wheelbase mid-roof with 16,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.